Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my winter skincare routine. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe down below and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like this tutorial. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start off my routine with the Henrickson Cold Plunge Pore Mask. I absolutely love this mask. This one is going to help with pore minimizing. It's going to help control the oils in your face, and it's also going to help improve the dullness in your skin and the texture. So I absolutely agree with all the claims for this product. I've been seeing all those and more. I just really like it. And on top of that, I just really love that it's a cooling mask. So in the morning, it's just really refreshing, wakes you up. And also it just really depuffs my skin and reduces any swelling that I may have. So I go ahead and I put on an even layer, and I use my Real Techniques foundation brush. I put on an even thin layer, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then go ahead and wash it off, and voila. So next I'm going to apply my Thayers Witch Hazel Aloe Vera formula in Rose Petal. I'm just going to use a cotton round and just apply this all over my face. What this does is it makes my skin squeaky clean and gives me some hydration. Next up, I'm going to apply my Badescu facial spray. This one has aloe, cucumber, and green tea. So it's just so good and it smells delicious. I spray this all over my face and then I just kind of fan it so that it dries, and this is going to add even more hydration and it's going to protect my skin from any kind of impurities. The next product I'm using is the Midnight Recovery Concentrate, and this one's by Kielh. Guys, this stuff is so amazing. I can't even say it enough. I usually use this at night, but because of the cold and dry winters, I like to use this during the day. It just gives me even more moisture, makes my skin feeling really, really smooth, and it's just so good. I can't say enough good things about it. So if you guys don't have this and you need a serum, it's an investment, but it's really worth it, I'm telling you. So I go ahead and apply this all over my face, and then what I'm doing is I'm just kind of pressing the product into my skin so that it sinks in and just lasts all day long. Okay, so moving on to moisturizer, I'm using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I love this stuff. This claims to be a 24-hour light textured daily hydrator, and I totally agree with that. It keeps my face feeling moisturized all day long without making me feel greasy or oily throughout the day, so that's really great. It also has an ingredient inside that helps with protecting your skin against very cold temperatures, so that's really great, especially in the wintertime. Next, I'm going in with eye cream, and today I'm using the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream. I really do love this stuff. I've been using it for a long time now. It has retinol inside of it, so it does a really good job at smoothing it out, making it hydrated, and preventing any wrinkles from being created in that area. And it's a really just great, affordable option if you guys are looking for an eye cream. So next I'm going in with my GlamGlow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. Wow, that was a mouthful. And this step is totally optional, but I love doing this step because it really just makes my skin look super healthy, super glowy, and basically makes me look like I'm glowing from within. I love applying this because it basically acts like a liquid illuminator, a liquid highlighter, so I love using this, especially if you're not going to be adding any makeup on top of your skincare routine. So I just love this step. I think it just makes you look so flawless and glowy. So I just feel like the #1 thing that people get when they are dry or suffering from the winter cold is chapped lips. So I just love this step because it just keeps my lips looking nice and plump and moisturized. And today I'm using the Kiehl's #1 lip balm. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are hydrated and more glowy than ever after this skincare routine. Don't forget to check out the description box down below for all the products that I used in this video. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave and leave me a big thumbs up. And I will see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.